Hello, class. It's your professor, Ms. Gonzalez here. I just wanted to go over the way to get to your HubSpot account. You guys should have received an email from HubSpot to set up your account, but this tutorial will just go through how to get to that email, how to get to the HubSpot website, and how to log in. And this will be the assignment for this week. So let's get started. So your first step is to find the email within the email program that you use. Um, right now I'm showing my Outlook email. And the website that you should see is noreply@hubspot.com. And the sender should be HubSpot, just as it shows right here. And I'll use my little pointer right here. This is the sender and the email address that you should see. And it depends on how they're going to word it, whether it's you've been invited to HubSpot, you've been invited to the Marketing 135 team. It should have a subject or message prompting you to see where this email is coming from. So this is your first step, is to find that email. After you have been prompted to create an account on HubSpot, you will be either directed to the sign-in page, or else they will just automatically, after you create your HubSpot account, then you will be signed in already. But this should be what your login page looks like. Right up here, you'll see the correct web address. This is what your HubSpot page should look like. Once you have completed that and you're signing in, I'll sign in with my email. It'll take you, you should already be taken to the web page, Santiago Canyon College. And right here you will see the page, that your HubSpot page. This is what your HubSpot page, the home page, should look like. And hopefully you have everything set up like this. This is just the default setup. And unless you click on the top links up here or drop down menus, then you'll be guided to a different part of the website. For us, we're not going to use any of these right now for this assignment. I would like you to go to your name. There'll be a drop down menu, and let me know if you have this link for training and services. So there are two parts of this assignment. First, you will be creating an account on HubSpot. Second, you will be looking for the training and services link on your homepage below your name on the drop-down menu. Once again, so you have created your HubSpot account. Then you're going to go to your name. There will be a drop-down menu that shows up. You're going to go down to training and services, and then you're going to click on this. After clicking on training and services, you are going to go to resources, and then you're going to go down to free courses and certifications. Click on that. And then you're going to be shown multiple courses that are available with your HubSpot account. And the reason why I thought this was very valuable for you as students is that some of these courses do provide you with a certificate. So I'm hoping that with your accounts that I had set up for you guys through your emails and also sent in the request to HubSpot that you guys are able to access these free courses. Because if you finish these courses, you'll not only finish my course or SEC's web marketing course with the credits, 3 credits. You can also utilize while you're in this course the different sub courses or certificate courses in here and then get a certificate from HubSpot, which is very useful. And I don't know why this chat just popped up. Weird. So we'll just exit out that. Weird. So if you guys have any questions, please email me, message me, and we'll try to figure out what we can do with you if you are unable to access this. And that's it for this assignment. It's a pretty easy assignment this week. Thank you.